Today, we're going to determine whether the number 131 is a prime or composite number. Let's start by reviewing what makes a number prime. A prime number is a natural number greater than one that has no divisors other than 1 and itself. If a number is not prime, then it is classified as a composite number, meaning it has more than 2 divisors. Here is our task to determine if 131 is a prime number. To do this, we'll try dividing 131 by numbers starting from 2 up to the square root of 131. This is because a larger factor of 131 would be paired with a smaller factor that has already been checked. So, what is the approximate square root of 131? Now we'll check if the numbers from 2 to 11 divide 131 evenly. If none of these divide it evenly, then 131 is a prime number. Let's start with 2. Next, let's try 3. Move on to 5. Now let's try 7. Next, let's try 11. Since none of these divide 131 evenly, we've determined that 131 is indeed a prime number.